Come with me to service the transmission on this 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer. For reference, that work only on the 9-speed transmission, RPO M3V. First, we need to remove the underbody shield. It is held by 6 to 7mm screws, and we need a little jar like this to drain the fluid. It gonna tells us how much fluid to put back in. So this transmission hold roughly 5.3 quarts of Dextron 6 transmission fluid. I'll include that in the comment section below. And we need to remove the drain bolt here. It is an 11mm bolt that's located under the transmission right there. You drain it completely, and you're gonna screw the bolt back in, and we're gonna fill it back up with 5.3 quarts of Dextron 6. And when we're done, we will be adjusting the level. Alright, so we need a long funnel. There is a black cap right under the engine airbox. We remove that black cap and put the long funnel in there. I'll include that in the comment section below as well. And we're gonna fill it up with one gallon, one full gallon, and the other one little bit less than half of it. Okay, so that's roughly 5.3 quarts. And let's fill it up all the way up with 1 gallon, and the other one less than half. Okay, a little bit less than half. All right, same thing with the second one. That's it. Now we're gonna start the vehicle, and make sure you have a scan tool that tells us the temperature of the transmission fluid. And we're gonna cycle the shifter for like 3 seconds each gears: park, reverse, neutral, and drive. And we wait 3 seconds, and we're gonna do the same thing before you put it back to park, as I'm doing right now. So we're in park, and we need a scanner to tell us what's the transmission fluid temperature, because to adjust the level you need to have the transmission fully hot, roughly 185 to 190 degrees. And you keep the engine running, you go underneath the vehicle, remove the adjuster screw on the side of the transmission to let it drain. If nothing comes out, you're gonna have to fill it up. If something comes out, let it drain. So you're gonna go to transmission on that scan tool and go to your data and look for the transmission data, and go to transmission fluid temperature and press OK. This transmission right now is 122 degrees. It is the instruction here. You need to have it between 185 to 203 degrees. So it's fully hot now. You can take it for a test drive, bring it back, watch your temperature. And now I'm removing the adjuster screw here. It is 11mm. It is on the driver's side right next to the CV axle. Okay, be careful, that fluid gonna be hot. The transmission is hot in general. The engine's still running. Okay, and you let it drain. If nothing comes out, I'll have to add a little bit more. Since we got fluid coming out, then we're good to go. Let it drip and put the screw back in. Take it for a test drive. You should be good to go, guys. Now, as you see, I'm cleaning the undercarriage before we deliver the car back to the customer, and put the underbody shield back on. And that's it, guys. Take your funnel out and put the cap back on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't hesitate to comment in the video to ask questions.